Not everyone has room for a full-size tree, so today we're going to look at how to make some really cute little trees that'll even fit on a bench or a mantelpiece, ideal for small spaces, and they make fabulous gifts too. All we need is one of these little trees, a ceramic pot, some styrofoam, a little set of lights, and some cute ornaments, and we're going to create something really fabulous. Step 1 is to make a styrofoam block to fit inside your ceramic pot so that will hold the tree. Now, because I want this particular tree for a mantelpiece or a shelf, I want it to be flat. So what I've done is I've flattened out all of the branches so that the tree is quite flat and the branches are all evenly spread. I'm then going to poke the tree in through the styrofoam into the pot. Push it down as hard as you can so that it's not going to wobble. And make sure it's straight. After you put your lights on your tree, you can just choose a few decorations. So now I've put a bow on the pot, an angel on the top, added the decorations, and it sits nicely on any little shelf. What do you think?